Alright people, welcome to another video. This time I'm gonna be working on my 81 Toyota Tercel. I'm having problems having the car start up, so forget that. Hold on, let me fix that alarm. As I was saying, the car doesn't want to start up, so I checked one of the spark plugs, and this is how it came out. See the difference? So hopefully this is the problem. So without blah 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 blah, let's go ahead and replace all 4 spark plugs. Alright, so let's begin. Here's a new one. It's a little dark. It's like 6 p.m. out here in Southern California. Oh man. I wonder if I got the right socket. I'm gonna go look for another one, guys. Right back. Alright. Couldn't find myself another socket, so this one will do. Let it snug, and that's it. Because as you turn on the car and the engine gets hot, the spark plugs get tighter. So that's not a good idea to put them really tight. Alright, let's check this one. Whoa. No. Nope. So what happens when you have the positive terminal of the battery next to it? I need a shorter. Well, let me try one more time. Getting too close to it. Let me get a shorter extension. Alright, let's see if this one will do. Let's see if it's short enough. Because the positive terminal of the battery is really close to the, to the first spark plugs, and then when the extension gets really tight to it, and really close to it. Alright, let's see if this one will do. Okay, perfect. See, I don't touch the positive terminal of the battery anymore. Alright, let's see. Get it out. Now let's undo it by hand. As you guys can see, I like to work on my cars at any time of the day or night. Let's take a look at this one. You guys see that? They're all burned out. A little bit of some anti-seize on the spark plug threads, so it will be easier for you next time when you want to replace the spark plugs once again. Just a little bit. Alright, let's tighten down. That will do. Alright, 2 down, 2 to go. Don't forget the positive terminal of the battery. Crossing my fingers that this will make my car turn on. I mean, for the looks of it, the old spark plugs, they were not creating any electricity from the tip to this part of the spark plugs, and that can be a problem. It's a commonly misfire on any car with spark plug problems. Go ahead and put it inside the socket, and let's start it by hand. Okay. All right, that should do it. And let's go ahead and remove the last one. I'll try to use. Shouldn't be that loose. All black, all burned out. And where is... Here's the last one. And last one. This. In my hands so I can get a good grip. All right, let's see. looking good. Let's not forget the spark plug cables. Connect them until you hear like a snap sound. As soon as they snap, that means that the spark plug is connected. Alright. Alright, the moment of truth has come. Let's turn on the car. Alright guys, so let's turn on the car on this 1981 Toyota Tercel. Alright, let's see what happens. Crossing my fingers here. Let me pump on the gas pedal for a little bit. Alright, here we go. And it's on. Alright, the good thing is that came on because it wasn't doing that. So let me warm it up a little bit. So let's see what happens afterwards to see if it starts shaking and that stuff. Okay, so the car is still warming up, and just for the fun of it, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the car and turn it back on just to see what happens. Okay, car's off, and let me go ahead and turn it back on. Where's the key? Where's the key? There you go. Alright, so it's passing the test. So before it wasn't doing that, it was just not turning on. But it's still a little bit shaky. I'm afraid that the carburetor itself is gonna need a rebuilt kit, a complete cleanup. Alright guys, that's it for this video with the 1981 Toyota Tercel replacing the 4 spark plugs. Alright, see you guys in the next video.